Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Naina Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines today. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma strongly defended the state's smart meter initiative, dismissing concerns about potential financial exploitation. The Chief Minister encouraged residents to review their electricity bills from July and August this year and compared them with the same period last year, assuring that such a comparison would clear any doubts about the transparency of the smart meter system. Tipra Motor founder Pradyut Kishore Dev Burma has issued a stern warning, vowing to expel all Bangladeshis from Tripura and the entire Northeast if provocations against India persist. His statement came in response to a tweet by Talibul Emma, who claimed that the seven sister states and West Bengal belong to Bangladesh and threatened India with dire consequences. After the tragic rape of a minor girl in Dhing, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has pledged that all involved will face justice. Calling it a grave crime against humanity, Chief Minister Sharma has instructed the Assam DGP to promptly investigate the incident. In response, Dhing has seen widespread protest with thousands of women demanding justice for the victim. Sanjay Roy, the chief suspect in the brutal rape and murder of a Kolkata doctor, exhibits a terrifying lack of remorse and an animal-like instinct, says a CBI officer. Described as a pervert deeply addicted to pornography, Roy described the horrific crime in graphic detail without a hint of regret. India marks its first National Space Day on August 23, 2024, celebrating the one-year anniversary of ISRO's historic Chandrayaan-3 moon landing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared this day to honor India's accomplishments in space. The Directorate of Civil Aviation has imposed a substantial fine of 98 lakh on Air India for operating flights with non-qualified crew members. The fine, revealed through a voluntary report submitted by Air India on July 10th. An investigation by the DGCA uncovered deficiencies and multiple violations of regulatory provisions by several staff members and post holders. SBI has hit Anil Ambani with a severe penalty, banning him from the securities market for 5 years and imposing a hefty 25 crore fine. The crackdown extends beyond Ambani to 24 other individuals from Reliance Home Finance, who is also banned for 5 years. The Supreme Court has postponed a hearing on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail pleas and challenge to his CBI arrest in the alleged excise policy scam to September 5th. Justices Surya Kant and Ujjal Bhuya granted the CBI time to submit its counter affidavit and allowed Kejriwal 2 days to file a rejoinder. At least 11 people were killed and an Indian registered passenger bus plunged into the Marsyangdi River in Nepal's Tanahun district. The bus, which was carrying around 40 passengers, was heading towards Kathmandu from Pokhara. Kangana Ranaut's Emergency has sparked controversy just days before its release. The Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee and the Akal Takht have called for an immediate ban on the film, alleging that it attempts to character assassinate Sikhs and propagate a negative narrative against them. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदूई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए टू व्हीलर की तलाश में है? तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922889 पर या 986495805 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।